I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word and moving straight to the File menu. This is where Interface Themes live. Once in File, click Account on the left so you can change the Office theme immediately. Make sure you note the Design tab too, because Document Page Color is separate from the app theme. You'll change that next. If you're on a managed PC, confirm you have permission to change Office settings so adjustments stick. Then proceed to pick a lighter theme in the next step. Now change the visible interface. In File Account, select Office Theme and choose White or Colorful. This flips the ribbon, panes, and background to light. Once done, go to the Design tab, open Page Color, and select White so your document canvas is bright too, because theme and page color are independent. Make sure to save a document, then close and restart Word. This forces full UI repaint. If you use multiple devices, repeat these steps where Word is signed in to keep consistency. Finish by verifying File Options. General shows your chosen personalization settings so they don't revert. If Word still looks dark, make sure Windows isn't enforcing a system-wide dark or high-contrast theme that overrides app appearance. Go to Windows Settings Personalization Colors to check. If problems persist, update Office, sign out and back into your account, or reboot. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch to another Office theme and back. That often forces the UI to apply the new light mode immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.